Managing timesheet for an active crew can quickly become difficult, especially when team members arrive at different times, forget to clock in, or leave before the shift ends. Supervisor Clock-In and Out helps supervisors manage the entire crew directly from one screen, making timesheet tracking faster, more accurate, and easier to manage during active jobs. Let's see how it works. Start by opening the Jobs section. Go to the Confirm tab and tap View Details on the assignment you want to manage. Once inside the assignment, scroll down and tap Supervisor Clock-In and Out. Here, you'll see all assigned crew members along with their current timesheet activity and status. To quickly find crew members, use the search bar at the top of the screen. You can also filter crew members by clocked in, clocked out, or not started. And if needed, you can sort the list based on clock-in or clock-out time. This makes it much easier to manage larger crews without scrolling through every assignment manually. When a crew member arrives on site, simply tap Clock In to record their start time. And once their shift is complete, tap Clock Out to log the end of the shift. Need to make an adjustment before submitting? Tap the Edit icon next to the time field, update the Clock In or Clock Out time, and then continue with the action. This helps supervisors handle real-time changes directly from the field while reducing timesheet mistakes and keeping timesheets accurate later. Once the action is completed, the app instantly confirms the successful clock-in or clock-out activity. With Supervisor Clock-In/Out, supervisors spend less time managing timesheet manually and more time keeping the job running smoothly.